Hey guys, welcome again to another episode of the Long Gone Loser Rock Show, where today I'm going to open up this Goblin Horror Box that was released a fair while ago now. And I've just been in a Dario Argento mood lately, just listening to the soundtracks and watching the movies. And I figured that, I should go through this. I've never done a video on it, and I should open it up and show you what it's like, because this is actually really, really cool. So the thing on the front here tells you that it's got 3 remastered vinyl, 3 special movie posters of Profondo Rosso, Demons, and Opera. Opera, one of my favorite movies by Dario Argento, absolutely brutal and brilliant. Profondo Rosso is great. Demons, while not directed by Dario Argento, he still had some involvement with it. So, but it's not directly about Argento, it's more about Claudio Simonetti and Goblin. So, yeah, here's the back, which basically has the 3 soundtracks there. Profondo Rosso is on a 10-inch, and these 2 are on LPs. So, yeah, very, very cool. Now, this is numbered. This one is 539 of 666 copies. I got this from Light in the Attic. Many years ago, Light in the Attic had really good postage prices on stuff, and so I was able to afford to get something like this, whereas nowadays, shipping is ridiculous everywhere. But, yeah. This was to celebrate the 40th anniversary of Profondo Rosso, so it came out in 2015. But yeah, let's open it up and have a look. So here is the 10-inch. I love this movie. This movie is fantastic. There is the back cover. Profondo Rosso, Mad Puppet, Deep Shadows, Death Dies. Nice. And there's Goblin in the studio. So there we go. There's the lineup there. And yeah, very, very cool. If you've never seen this movie, I highly recommend checking it out. It's really, really good. So I always forget who the killer is too. Like I don't watch it for a few years, and then I go back and watch it again. And I'm like, oh yeah, that's right, that's the killer. On nice, glorious red vinyl there. Very, very cool. And they sound fantastic, by the way. These records sound really, really good. So I was actually impressed with the analog sound. Nice and warm, and yeah, just so good. But there we go. That is the first one there. We have one of my favorite movies of all time, Dario Argento's Opera. If you've never seen this film, I'll give you a quick rundown on it. Basically, someone is made to watch the killings, and they have to keep their eyes open by, these pins, because if they, as stated in the movie, if you try to close your eyes, you'll tear them apart. Very, very brutal. Very, very brutal. It's based on Macbeth, and yeah, very, very full on. But there she is with the pins under her eyes. Brutal, absolutely brutal. But this movie, again, another film where I forget who the killer is. That's what I like about his movies. While I love the movies and I remember so much about them, every time I go back to them, I do forget who the killer is. And usually by the end, I'm like, oh, that's right, it's that guy or that girl or whatever. But yeah, it's kind of cool that I always forget about that stuff, because then when I watch it again, it's like, yeah, I don't remember this or whatever. I love these movies, though. They're worth a revisit every time. This one on straight up black vinyl. But yeah, very, very cool. So here we are with Demons. Very, very cool. This movie's a trip. It's well worth checking out if you've never seen it before. There's Demons 1 and Demons 2. And yeah, they're pretty wild. There's Dario. So very, very cool. Lamberto Bava directed this movie. So yeah, very, very cool. Again, black vinyl. Doesn't matter if it's colored or not, it still sounds awesome. Now, what I do like about these covers is that they're a nice matte finish. They're not a shiny finish. So, if you happen to have any oil on your hand or whatever, I'd like to think you don't. But if you do, it's not going to ruin your cover there, like fingerprints and stuff like that. But yeah, very, very cool. I like the roughness of the cover. I like it. I think it's cool. So here are the posters. Now, these posters are amazing. Like this, I got to get all of these framed. So here is the first one, which is great. This is Profondo Rosso. So this movie is also known as Deep Red. We have this awesome anniversary poster, which has like the posters of the movie all over the world in different languages and stuff like that. Absolutely mind-blowing. And on the other side, you have this awesome poster, like just for the film, like I guess the Italian poster of the film, which is really, really cool. Love this to bits. Very, very cool. But the only problem is being indecisive over what side would you want to put up. But very cool nonetheless. That's the first one. Now this one, as you can see, single-sided poster here, but this needs to be framed. I love this film so much, I need to frame these posters. This is very, very cool. Opera, man, is just such a brutal movie. I know I've said it before, but like if you've never seen it, do yourself a favor and check it out. And the last poster is for Demons. Another great poster. Well worth framing if you want to. There we go. How cool is that? Unreal. Absolutely love these posters to bits. So a very cool collection. And you'd think that, you know, probably would have had Suspiria in here, but Suspiria's been released a billion times, but not in sort of like this box set thing. This box set looks freaking awesome. And yeah, I assume if you're watching this, you're an Argento fan. And if you are, you may already have this. If not, I'm hoping that, you know, you can still find a copy cheap enough of this to add to your collection. But I'm a massive Dario Argento fan. I love Goblin's music. So to get this, yeah, very, very happy about it. And like I said, 10 years ago, I bought this. So, wow. Pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video on the Long Gone Loser Rock Show. Take care of yourselves. Look after each other. I'll see you in another video. Go watch some Dario. Bye-bye.